Hello, welcome to the Rails presentation for my final project. Um, so let's just get started. Right off the bat, the thing that draws you into the app that I created is the sign-in page. Okay, there's also buttons for a Google sign-in and sign-up page, and as you can see, there's not very many fields to choose from, just an email, name, password. A lot of these things really is controlled by the user's controller, but that's boring. So let's just get started with this. One of the features I added onto here is um, just the errors when you fill it out and the errors when you're creating an account. So let's say if the email was like that and the passwords don't match, and you create a and then it says email invalid and password confirmation doesn't match. Um, and it you can also have all the other stuff. So it changes based on whatever I'm doing. Um, but for the purposes of this, I already created an account, so we can click this button, and it's actually Omni authenticated, Google authenticated account. So I just clicked this button, and it basically just went through Google and it started this up. So one of the things about this app is it's called CreatiVault, and lo and behold, it's about posting something that you created in real life. So this account has some dummy text, like a header and a bio, and also shows like what I've created since joining the app. Uh, you can upload photos. That's one of the features that I added on here, and as you can see, you can change the photo if you wanted to, and change the header of your profile page. But when you're a new user, the you are prompted to create a profile, and you can't move forward into other stuff like creating something or seeing other people's profile if you don't have your own profile. So, but here you can actually make changes. So I can change Mark's Rails project, and we can make changes, and we'll see that that's our name, and then it shows a different header and some dummy text. And for this, you could actually click this whole thing, and it'll bring you to the creator or creation page. So it says the title of the creation, the category, and all this stuff. So if I wasn't the creator of this page, there would actually be two buttons here, and it'll show on here who loved my photo, how many people loved the photo or the creation. It also has a link to show the creator of this one, and which is me. So that's one thing that I really like about this, and you have a button to edit it. So it's the same thing. So if I wanted to change this to crafts, update, it updates the category crafts. Um, the other thing is you can see everybody's creations on here, and you can do feed or do tech filter, and it shows all the tech, and you can visit that page. Um, and in this instance, you can also go to, let's go back and let's see the best computer setup. So this was created by the admin page category. And as you can see, I can't edit it because it doesn't belong to me. But I do have two buttons here while I pressed one of them. And it prompts me that I already loved it, so I can't press it, keep on pressing it. And there's also a flag button if I thought that this might be an inappropriate or just it's not good. um, let's see. And there's also a page for my own creation. So if I wanted to see what I've been working on in tech, I could just take a look at that. And crafts, I could take a look at that, or custom builds, a traveling kit. So very simple, very easy to use. Um, so yeah, that's one of the things for this. And the other thing I wanted to show you is there's some features for um, an admin, And the only way I could make an admin for this is through the seed file when the user is created, so my seed database. So I already created one, admin, and let's sign in. So this is one way to get to the admin page. So CreatiVault administrator, I can update the profile, my own profile. I have all the power and make changes, and it says I have all the power. I can also create creations, my own creations. So if I wanted to, let's see, make um, a language app. So this is a language app, and the category is tech. And I'm gonna generate some lorem here. I'm gonna copy paste this so it's not empty, and I create it, and then boom. So there's the new photo and the basic show page for the app. And now you can now see it in the creations right here. So it shows the language app. See my creations, so I have two. And as an admin, I can actually see the stats for this. So I can see how many people loved it and how many people flagged it. And that way, if I saw something that like it was flagged, I can edit it and all that stuff. And I could see all creators. And the other feature is, as a admin, I can actually update other people's profiles and other people's uh, creations. And they're the two buttons. So if I wanted to love it, I could click that, and then the button disappears, right? And the other thing that the admin can do is its namespace on here is create an admin or create a new category, and it shows here. So I get an extra button here showing the different categories, and I can edit crafts slash I don't know. Let's see, crafts slash. Uh, this is a hard thing to edit, so let's just go back. Let's see. Okay, arts and crafts. There we go. And we edit this category, and now it's arts and crafts. And anything that had that, when it's filtered, would show arts and crafts as their show page, but I didn't make one. So hopefully you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed making it and building it and making it look good and all that stuff. Um, so yeah, I think that's pretty much it. It's just a basic walkthrough of what I've done so far, and yeah, kind of cool. So I'm gonna end it here.